Here the question is, the cost of an article is first decreased by 25% and then further decreased by 40%. So here we need to find the percentage change in the cost of the article. This is what the question. Already I have solved this question in a logical manner. I have given a link of that solution, but here we are going to use the formula, okay, to find the answer for this. So first, I don't know what is the cost of an article. First, we'll fix the variable for a cost of an article. Okay, so the cost of an article is, whenever we don't know something, we just take a variable. So I'm taking here the cost as X rupees. Okay, so now what they are saying, that there is actually two changes over here. First time it decreased 25 and the second time again it is decreased by 40%. So we are going to use, now I don't know what is the current price, right? So I can use like this. So current price I want. So current price, I can use a formula like this. What is this one now? Old price. Okay, so old price, what we have mentioned over here, it's nothing but X. So as of now, don't want old price. We'll just consider this as X. After that, what happened? I have the cost price has been decreased by 25%. So what you can do, since it is decreased, you are going to use 1 minus 25 by 100. If it is increased means instead of this minus you will be putting the plus, but since it is decreased we have to use the subtraction symbol. And then again it further decreased by 40%. So what you have to do, 1 minus 40 by 100. Since it's percentage we are specifying in a fraction. So now solve this one. So what answer we are getting? X. So 1 minus 25 by 100, I can write it as 1 minus 1 by 4, and here I can write it as 1 minus 4 by 10, again 4, so I can solve here itself. 0 0 cancel. Again this 4 and 10 can be solvable by 2 tables, so I'm just cutting the 2 factors, so it will become 2 by 5. So now again find what is the result of this. So here we can take an LCM as 4, so up will be 3, and here we can take an LCM as 5 and up will be 3, 5 minus 2. Okay, so what is the answer now? 3 into 3, 9 by 20x. So now we got initially the cost of an article as X rupees. Now after two changes, first change 25% decrease and the second change again 40% decrease. So after two changes, now the cost is going to be 9 x by 20. So this is the right now the cost. This was the initial cost. Now the question is not ending over here. Here the question is, you need to find the percentage change in the cost of the article. Whenever they have asking percentage change, what we need to do, the change in value should be in the numerator. What is change in value? Change in cost of the article. So how can I find change in cost of the article? Initially it was X, finally it becoming 9x by 20, and divided by in your denominator you need to put the original cost. Okay, that means old value, which is X into 100. So if you solve this, we will get the answer, which is for percentage change in the cost of the article. So when we solve, we can take an LCM over here. So it will be 20x minus 9x divided by x into 100. So now 20x minus 9x is going to become 11x by 20, and this x and 20 will be combining. So here 20x into 100. So I can cancel x and x. 20 and 100 will go for 5 times. So now 11 into 5, which will give you 55% as an answer. So this is the easier way. If you want to find just by using the formula, you can use this, but you need to understand the problem logically. So please refer the previous video which I have given in a link so that you can understand the same problem even more logical. Thank you.